In today's video, I have a hair tutorial for you. This is how I do a blowout at home with fine, thin hair. I hope you guys enjoy. This is what I do to get volume and to make it look thicker and fuller. I just washed my hair, and actually let me show you the shampoo and conditioner that I use. I've been using the Odell Volumizing shampoo and conditioner for weightless moisture, shine, and fullness, sulfate-free, and 100% natural fragrance. My hair does so much better with the volumizing shampoo and conditioner. If I use anything for moisture or shine, it really weighs my hair down and it just looks flat. So I really enjoy using that type of shampoo and conditioner. When I get out of the shower, this is actually a t-shirt. I have been using this as my hair towel for about 15 minutes while I put my body oil on and get dressed and do my skincare. And so now here we are. I'm gonna start with my styling products. Again, because I have fine, thin hair, I have to be really careful with the type of products and the amount. So I go in with a volumizing mousse and some type of leave-in treatment. This is the Olaplex bonding oil. It's a heat protectant. Other times I will use It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In Light. And then sometimes I'll use the Redken All Soft Leave-In. Going in with the Olaplex bonding oil and the Schwarzkopf. Oh my gosh, this is so gross. It has hair. I'm not gonna show you that. It has hair all over it. The Schwarzkopf Osis Volume and Body. Take my hair down. I'll use a wide tooth comb. And I put my styling products in when my hair is still damp. I never apply on dry hair. So I'm gonna make a part right here with my fingers. Shape. I don't want to use too much or too little, so just kind of cover. And then I'll do this side. Little light coat, and I'll just press that on the roots. And do that side. And then I'll take a little more. And then I'll just kind of go around. Run it all through. And then I always have hair come out, which makes me so saddy. Next, I'm going to take my Olaplex bonding oil and that, and then I'm just going to run it through the length of my hair. Rake it through. Take my comb again. Next, I blow dry. I'm gonna kind of demonstrate before I turn it on to show you what I'm gonna be doing to get the most volume. So I like to direction my hair that way and blow dry up, over, blow dry. And I like to kind of point it down on the length, flip my head over. So I dry to about 90% because I am gonna go in with this. I cannot, for the life of me, round brush and blow dry my hair. I have tried it so many times and I just cannot do it. I need this. I need this in my life. I love this thing. So I'm gonna blow dry my hair to 90% and then I'll show you how I use this. I wish you guys can see my hair without the mousse. It is so flat and it does not look anything like this. So it gives me a lot of volume, which I love. Next, I'm gonna go in with this. Love this thing. I think I paid like 35 bucks for it. I'm gonna section my hair off. I'm gonna do like the horseshoe type of section. So, now if you have fuller hair than me, you might have to do this in like 2 or 3 sections. Most of my thinning is right here on the sides. So I literally just take this. There's a cool, low, and high setting on this, and I use the low. The high setting is just way too hot. Let me show you with it off, that way you can hear me. So what I do is I hold it out, pull the brush, get close to the root and turn it. And then I will slowly bring it out like so, turn it a few times and let it go. If you have fine, thin hair, I highly suggest that you only run it through once. Because we already dried, you don't really need to sit there and run it through to dry it. We're just doing this to smooth the ends and get some more volume. Let's go. Now for the back, I do have to section this off because I have more hair back there. So I'm gonna do 1 section and then 2. Even on the low setting, it gets a little toasty in here. It's getting hot in here. Take off all my clothes. I'm getting so hot. I'm not taking my clothes off. Okay, that's enough of that. So, okay, now we're up here, and I'm gonna section this off. I'm just gonna run my fingers straight through the back. Take this. And sometimes I will add 2 extensions, not for length, but for volume. Because again, it's my sides here that are thin. So I'll take my Irresistible Me clip-ins. I cut these to be the same length as my hair. As my hair grows, I'm gonna have to get new extensions. But as my hair grows, I'm definitely not gonna cut them to the length of my hair. I'm gonna use them for length the next set I get. But right now I feel like my hair is that awkward length. I will run my dryer. I will section right about here. Okay. And I'll do a little teasy tease. Boom. And they blend right in. Same thing on the other side. I'm gonna go turn my fans on and do my makeup. I've been thinking about coloring this darker to match, but at the same time, I wanna leave my hair alone. I gave myself a trim and I think I did a terrible job. I should probably go get a professional cut to even things out. Really quick though, look at my grays. And that is how I style my hair most of the time. If you guys found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time.